He's dead.
No.
If you want to sleep in that one. Then. Right over about
Oh, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.